When the global COVID-19 pandemic changed everybody's definition of normal, many locations canceled their scheduled air shows for 2020. Brigadier General Matthew Higer, the 412th Wing Commander at Edwards Air Force Base, Calif, decided, however, that the Edwards Air Force Base, Calif, air show would transition to a hybrid model. At the time, no one was really sure what a hybrid air show would look like, but thanks to the hard work of a lot of people, Higer's vision is beginning to take shape.
Ladies and gentlemen, I present the United States Air Force F-22 Raptor.
I am really excited that we were able to take what was going to the first air show on Edwards in more than a decade and take advantage of this unique opportunity to highlight the Aerospace Valley and the Air Force.
What is typically an in-person two-day air show is now a week-long event that begins on Monday, October 5th with online STEM classes for K-12 students, and culminates with flying displays on October 9th and 10th.
We're still going to have jets in the air over Edwards, said Higer. However, we'll not be doing any type of normal air show displays, but we'll be flying routes so people will get to see and hear the aircraft, and also learn and explore in a multi-path environment on Friday and Saturday of Air Show Week.
Friday and Saturday, the air show will open just like any normal Edwards air show, with the national anthem, the Wings of Blue parachute team from the Air Force Academy, and the breaking of the sound barrier.
There will be an Olympic-style live broadcast each day, said Major Thomas Stewart, the air show director. General Higer and other senior leaders will be on hand to give context to what the public is seeing in the air, what the students have seen over 4 days of STEM instruction, and how it relates to the mission of the base and the mission of the aircraft in the air. There will be 2 routes, one for each day. On Friday, we'll fly the west route, Lancaster, Palmdale, Rosamond, Mojave, Tehachapi, Bakersfield, California City and Boron, Moore said. And the east route will take place on Saturday, Lancaster, Palmdale, Hesperia, Apple Valley, Victorville, Barstow, Fort Irwin, Ridgecrest, Nas China Lake and Rosamond.